Hello, I'm in the town of Tonala, which is a suburb of Guadalajara, and it is the wholesale market. This is where all the factories that make everything, all the arts and crafts are made here and they're sold. There's streets after streets after streets of stores, factories, people who are putting up booths to sell absolutely everything you can think of. Things are starting. This is a wholesale market, although individuals do come in. It's a wholesale market, and all the stores in Chapala and Ajijic and Tlalpaque and all the other stores come here, and they're loading up inventory for next week, which is called Buen Fin, which is the Mexican version of Black Friday. So there's going to be a lot of shopping next weekend, and so therefore all the people are coming here to buy all the goods that they want at wholesale level. These are the actual factories, outlets, as well as a bunch of people selling from little tents on the street. So this is a little corner, a little patio. Greetings from Mexico. This is Life in Paradise. Bye-bye.